Welcome to the Flixora training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create a video by adding a blog URL in Flixora. Go to the left menu and click on Create. Now choose your video type. Just add the blog URL on which you want to create the video. Video length. Video ratio. Language. Now click on Generate.
Limitless possibilities with Reddit's new machine learning-powered translations. Reach new heights as we expand to over 35 locales in Europe, Asia, and Latin America, making our platform more accessible than ever.
You can select and customize your videos. Add background music to your video. Select the position of your text. Base color of text. You can add scenes to your video using the stock library, AI, or upload from your local.
Unlock a world of limitless possibilities.
Click on Export and your video will be exported. You can view your video.
Unlock a world of limitless possibilities with Reddit's new machine learning-powered translations. Reach new heights as we expand to over 35 locales in Europe, Asia, and Latin America, making our platform.
Share it on social networks. Thanks for watching the video.